Hello, my name is Stephanie Handrich, and this is my presentation on the negative and positive impacts of social media technology. The progression of technology has led to amazing advancements. One of these is social media. 30 years ago, most people relied on a landline phone for connection and for business. The idea of a smartphone was merely a concept at this time. In fact, most homes didn't have their own computer. In our current culture, that's the opposite. There are usually multiple devices in a home now. An app was something that people ordered at the beginning of a meal. Social media became popular about 15 years ago, but is consistently advancing and growing every year. Social media is a way to stay connected with others, whether it's for a personal reason or for business. There are many different types of social media platforms, from Instagram to Snapchat, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and GroupMe. Each of these has their own unique features and advantages. While the idea of social media seems overall positive, as with anything, there can be a negative side. In our personal life, we see connectivity as one of the positive impacts. This can be with friends, family, teams, and organizations. Friends and family that live far away have the ability to communicate with each other. You can catch up with someone and see how they're doing. Teams can use social media for fundraisers or for communicating. As a high school soccer coach, I personally use GroupMe to stay connected with my team. We may use it to announce practice changes and other schedule changes, any extra events that might come up, and anything else that we want to announce. My team also uses it for team building purposes. Organizations may use it to plan or announce events. With the pandemic specifically, we saw just how important staying connected with others was, and most of that occurred digitally. In our work life, we see marketing as one of the most positive impacts. Marketing is an essential tool to any business, and social media can have an influential part in it. From advertising specific products or sales to reaching out to a target demographic that may have been excluded due to other marketing strategies. Using social media for a business can significantly boost one's income as well. Marketing using digital resources is also better for our planet, and it limits waste of material resources. We see here a family that's staying connected with someone from a distance. This is a great example of that connectivity that is such a positive impact using social media. And this graphic shows us just how important social media can be for marketing for a business. From increasing views of the business to finding partners to invest, there are so many benefits of social media marketing. But with anything, we have positive impacts, but we also have negative impacts. Mental and emotional health diagnoses have significantly increased in teenagers and young adults since the growth of social media. Specifically, anxiety, depression, hyperactivity, and suicidal thoughts. These could be due to a many number of reasons, including peer pressure, wishing you could have what others do, and the addictive quality of being on social media, which can lead to hyperactivity and lack of sleep and appetite. Other negative impacts can include things such as bullying, insecurity, and feeling disconnected with reality. Social media leads to a new form of bullying. It emboldens the bully to say whatever they want as they are hiding behind a screen. The potential for the hurtful comments to reach a larger number of people also heightens this form of bullying. Insecurity is common amongst our teenagers as they often compare themselves to what they see on social media. And this feeling of not being good enough or being alone can lead to many of the mental health diagnoses mentioned before. Being disconnected from reality is common. People, especially teenagers, focus on one thing at a time, and because of the addictive properties to social media, it's easy for them to become tuned out to their surroundings. Because of this, they often miss out on things that are happening in the now. And we see this here in this young girl who's visibly upset over something on her phone. This shows us just how negatively social media can impact our youth. In this picture of a group of people all sitting together in the same room, but they're all on their phones or devices, this shows us a great example of being disconnected from reality and not living in the present. So to summarize, we discussed what social media and different platforms such as Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and GroupMe are, and some of the features that they have. We also looked at the positive impacts, from connectivity in one's personal life and to marketing for businesses. But as we said before, to every positive side there's a negative side. We also discussed the negative sides of social media, from mental health disorders such as anxiety, depression, hyperactivity, and that bullying and insecurity can be a part of it. We also discussed the disconnection to reality that can occur when one uses social media. Overall, most things in life have pros and cons, and social media is no different. Thank you.